guys, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you how my husband is always on the hunt for some earbuds, and he found these with JVC. They've been working wonderful for work, for the gym, for everything. My husband has been loving these earbuds because first of all, they are comfortable. They have a secure fit, so whenever he's exercising, he's not concerned of dropping or losing one of them. This is great for any inside or outdoor activity. They're also sweat proof, which is phenomenal because he tends to break a sweat whenever he's working out. They also provide good quality sound that lasts for 6.5 hours of battery life. Something I liked about them is that they're tangle-free with the cable adjusters, and also this cable allows you to have the peace of mind that you're not going to lose one of them. So if you're trying not to spend a lot of money but get something that's worth it, that's going to be useful, then definitely go for these JVC earbuds. But that's just my point of view.